We're going. Look at how fast we're going.
It's like us on a train.
Yeah, did you hear that? Oh my god, oh that was my pants. There is a string of it. Is that a, oh.
She says we're going fast.
I did? Oh.
Little kid.
I'm just like, oh, I do. Wait, Jenna, what time is it? 10:46. We're fine.
Oh, what time do we have to be back up over there?
11:30. Hope no one sees us.
So what? We saw people.
But we're weirdos.
So?
Well, that kind of makes sense. Weirdos are allowed to do this.
Exactly.
Hey, now we know where to go for the bumper cars. It's up here.
Bumper boat?
Bumper boats.
I think the train is too late.
It is.
I think you need to sit down one more. I need itches.
This is so bad. Oh! I can't send this to you now, Jenna. See those joggers over there? Joggers.
Yeah, you guys are getting it.
Oh my god. W. Oh, this is Deer Creek.
Let's wait. Hi, lady. I don't know.
Dude, it looks like the lady from church with a sparkly shirt and was like, oh girl. It's like, I'm not videotaping you, you kidding me? Oh my gosh, it's a creek. Wonder if we go over a bridge. Dun dun. Dun dun. Dun dun
This
dun.
is like the walking pace. You can like jump out of the train and won't even hurt yourself.
Oh my gosh, see those turtles? They're actually rocks, but
Oh, they were turtles.
I thought you were serious.
Why would I want to picture a rock?
I thought I was serious at first too, until like 5 seconds later. We're almost to the tunnel.
Watch like something fall.
Oh no.
Really? Oh, there's, why isn't there music?
I know, like.
It's the final countdown. Don't stink if I drop my iPod. Sorry. Who let the dogs out? Who?
Why do you have it on your iPhone? Why are you dancing to it?
Oh my gosh, it's a deer. Bambi.
I'm tired.
This is soothing, isn't it?
Makes me feel old.
Read that. How is that possible on this bus?
I remember when I was younger, I thought this could kill you. The speed, like if you jumped out. Do you see that beautiful creek? Yeah. Whoops, I gotta keep my arm in there. Oh my gosh, do you see those? They're like orange.
Yeah.
Flowers.
Cold now.
White petunias. Oh my gosh, you're right. And then we're gonna go even cold. Oh, look at the peacocks. They're standing next to each other. Woo! Woo!
The kids aren't even yelling.
There we go.
We're going faster now.
Into the tunnel. Do you feel that speed up?
I see driving fast now.
Dude, it's going so much faster.
Did you see how fast he was? Wow, he's so dangerous, yo! Did you see us say yo? Whoa, that scared me.
That's so stupid. You should go fast for the whole thing.
Yeah, I know.
Adrenaline pumping. Where's the pretty gazebo?
That was scary.
This round is taking 5 minutes.
Oh, she's talking.
Did you just say fuck?
Jenna, I can't get this video to you.
Thanks to some unmentionable names.
No, her mom, no, that girl's really talking to you, Cassie. She said, don't put your hand out, don't put your foot out.
I didn't put my foot
I know,
out.
but she was talking to you. She was pointing to you. I saw her. I wonder if people saw us. Probably.
Look at the little baby.
Hi, baby.
Doesn't like you.
No, see, he's smiling. Aw,
Little
cute.
baby. Oh, look, now he's trying to hide.
His mom
see that?
had
Oh,
supposed to see him.
some people are on the... Look, finally people are out on the paddle boat.
That was our boat.
My gosh, I was laughing so hard.
I
Someone
want
like,
to climb that tree.
I want to climb your face.
That is such a weirdo. What time is it?
It's time for you to get
gotta
what?
watch Jinx.
Ah, you got boo boo.
Knock on wood.
Ew, what is that bug? Where's the duck? I was in the mood to chase some today. Dude, the sun's out.
I'll feel the wind in our hair.
Why is there a place, brother?
Adrian.
That's a lady. Wait, is that a dude?
You know what? Ever since I moved to Greenfield, like all the time I see women that look like men. I've never seen that.
Cassie, did you see last night, you know that video, What This World Needs? That we were doing, like singing, but we were going to go up there after? They showed 2 gays kissing.
It did?
Yeah, it was really gross.
That's horrible.
Yeah. My dad just noticed it. He was
Is that
like,
Miss Fitz? Oh my gosh, Miss Fitzroy's right there.
Wait.
No.
Wave to her.
Wait, where is she?
She's right over here.
Wave to Miss Fitzroy.
She's gonna look awkward if there's no one on.
Hi, Miss Fitzroy!
I can see you.
I was just like,
Get quick. That was so funny.
Miss Fitzroy, did you see her running? Yeah.
She like fell. Like, I would have laughed so hard. But I would have been on myself.
Dude, we've been on this ride for like 8 minutes.
I know, right?
I don't know. Oh my gosh, do you feel this thing speeding up?
Woo! It's speeding up.
Look at Miss Fitzroy.
Where is she? Oh, there she is.
Miss Fitzroy.
We're going faster.
She's still running.
Ah, it's a bush.
Look at her, she's running faster than the train.
I wanted to get the bag. Wait until it comes to a complete stop.
Cardio.